This is Live Channel. My dear friends, today I will show you how I prepare and cook chicken curry with hot pepper. The ingredients in cooking chicken curry, of course we need cloves of garlic crushed, onions sliced thinly. We need 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, and then 1 kilo chicken cut into serving pieces, and then potatoes cut into cubes, carrots cut into cubes also, and then the hot pepper cut into small pieces. We need also curry mix, and then nor ginataang gulay mix. We need evaporated milk, and then the ginataang gulay mix is dissolved in 1 cup of water. Then we need salt to taste. Cooking time is within 30 minutes. Now let us cook. To begin, I will pour 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in the cooking pan. And then once it gets hot, I will put the crushed cloves of garlic. And then saute until golden brown. I will add the onions, I will add the chicken, and saute until it becomes golden brown, or when the color changes. Keep sauteing until it is half cooked. The chicken. I think the chicken is already cooked. So I will now add the potatoes, the carrots, and the hot chili pepper. Hot chili pepper is good for the health. according to many literatures, hot pepper is anti-cancer. So I will mix well. And then I will add 2 tablespoons of curry powder, Del Monte curry powder. I will cover for 2 minutes. Okay, continue mixing. And then I will add the Knorr ginataang gulay mix with the evaporated milk. Okay, continue mixing, and then let it boil for another 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, I will add some salt to taste. Our chicken curry is already cooked. Now let's eat. This is our finished product. Chicken curry with hot pepper. Let's eat. Mangantayin ako. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and make a comment. Thank you.